Hi guys, I hope you all are fine. I'm physical therapist Danish Atik and you're watching Physio Guides. In today's video, I'm going to tell you the best way to perform the vertebral artery test. Vertebral artery test is used to test the vertebral artery blood supply and look for the insufficiency. A decrease in the blood supply from the vertebral artery can lead to the transient ischemic attack known as TIA, which can further lead to the stroke attack. Before wasting any further time, let's get started. To perform the vertebral artery test, patient should be in the supine position. Passively hold the head and neck of the patient. Now extend the neck and side bend. To look for the signs, rotate the neck toward the same side. You have to hold the neck and head of the patient in the same position for at least 30 seconds and look for the sign of dizziness and nystagmus. The positive test will provoke the referring symptoms if the opposite artery is affected, and the test will be considered positive if the patient shows symptoms of dizziness and the nystagmus. I hope you get the best way to perform the vertebral artery. See you in another video. Bye. To learn the best way to perform the upper limb urodynamic test, you have to click on my right side.